Alright, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Waddle back with a brand new geocaching video. We are at the site of a 31 favorite point geocache. So the trick to this geocache is not necessarily finding it, it's getting inside. Yeah, it's a puzzle box geocache, and we're gonna go ahead and find it and try to solve it right now. Alright guys, so we were able to find the puzzle box in this nice container. There already is like little thing to weigh it down. Oh no, it's to keep it moisture, like the moisture thing, and looks to be a pen. So we're gonna go ahead and try to figure our way into this puzzle box. I'm not even sure how to get started. I've seen these on the internet before, but I never really knew how to like get into it. So we're gonna be figuring it out right now here in this video, and hopefully be able to sign the logbook that's inside. It's like a shake thing. So it like comes apart. So how do I get these out? Oh, whoa, wait. I felt a wobble. I felt a little wobble. Whoa, wait. What did I do? I did something and it moved a little bit. So the hint on the cache website said you can open it with 2 fingers. What? I'm confused. So you really only need 2 fingers to open this? I feel like once I get it down, it's gonna be so easy to open. So I only needed 2 fingers to open it. I'm gonna read it again. I once saw a troll living under the pile open it using only 2 fingers. Does this have to do anything with it? This is a pen, huh? That's a pen. I don't want to force anything open. I don't want to break it. But he was able to open it with 2 fingers. Oh! I got it! Oh my god, we opened it! Holy crap, whoa! That's sick! Wow, so inside is, wow, a tiny little logbook and what looks to be a little pin. And wow, we have a little Royal Notes logbook, princesses, wow! That's nice. That took a little bit. That took 4 minutes to open. And it looks like we are the first to solve in 2020 because nobody else has signed it. So I will gladly take up the first page. And there you go. We have Waddle, first to find in 2020. We did the little pig and the oink oink. And that was a great cache. This obviously has to get a favorite point now. And wow, that was actually really surprising to open when I actually understood what they meant by the 2 fingers. Wow, that's really cool. Alright guys, so we are gonna go ahead and put the logbook back inside the little puzzle box and the Ziploc and everything. It fits nice and snug and well in there. And we're gonna go ahead and put this back inside. Well, I need to fix the logbook up a little bit. There you go. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the logbook back inside of the geocache container. Nice and snug. Inside the little puzzle box. And boom. Exactly like how we found it. Also guys, before we leave, we can fit a little squeaky pig inside. So we're gonna go ahead and put a squeaky pig inside this container for someone else to find. Alright guys, we are here at ground zero for a second cache. This one requires a little special tools to get into. So this is one of those caches where we have to pour water into it and it floats right up. So we're waiting for these moguls to pass by, and then we're gonna go ahead and film this for you guys. Hopefully we brought enough water because we were not prepared for this. We saw it along the way, and we luckily have 3 bottles of water in our car. So hopefully this is enough to get the cache out. If not, we're just wasting water here. So yeah, let's get right to it.
You see here, kid? You gotta just go for it. Don't think about what comes after all.
We got it, boys. We got it. All right, guys, so we were able to get the cash container out. Look at it. It looks like a little tiny Nerf dart. It says this way in on it. We're gonna go ahead and open it up inside the log. That's honestly a really, really cool cache. I've always seen these types of caches online and in videos, but I've never seen anything like that in real life. And it was actually really, really cool. So we're gonna open it. It really looks like a green Nerf dart. And it just floated all the way on the top when I poured water in. There you go, we went ahead and signed the logbook. Very, very tiny. Not the best signature, it's really hard to write on. But yeah, let's move on to the next one. So we decided to stop by at one more for the end of the day, and it's a little tiny micro on this pole. So we're gonna go ahead and end the video here. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.